Solving data challenges often feels like a Monty Python skit, a lot of talking, wild hand gestures. And then, suddenly, we've solved it. Everyone smiles. The room clears, and nothing actually changes.
At Lattice, we built a solution that doesn't just talk about solving the problem, it actually does it. No more jargon, no more roadmaps to nowhere, just results. Let's show you how.
First, Lattice connects to your data wherever it lives. Snowflake? Yep. Salesforce? Sure. A PDF from your finance team? Absolutely. Even a competitor's public website? You bet. No migration, no duplication, just smart, secure access. Without the mess, you don't need to be a data engineer to use Lattice. Just ask a question in plain language. Lattice understands what you need and delivers it. No code, no waiting, just clarity. Lattice lets you build real governed data products, on the fly, reusable, shareable, flexible. Whether you're in marketing, finance, or operations, your team finally gets what they need, when they need it. Prefer BI, visualization, using AI tools for forecasting? Lattice integrates with the systems you already use. It doesn't disrupt your workflow, it supercharges it. Lattice makes data mesh real. And with AI driving the experience, the complexity disappears. You don't need a 12-month implementation plan, you just need to log in. So, yeah, maybe we've ruined the Monty Python sketch, but when the problem is actually solved, why keep talking about it? No more skits, no more delays, just Lattice. Zero code needed. Sign up to Lattice today at lattice.com and start having the most important conversation with your data.